Top cup cup top tom tara tonta tudo stole chai today kalasese kalukuna cake papa papi fetsi very barrot kelly kinini copa cat lost trolley arabic arctic tongue twister the 6 can quite like it doesn't care for can fool the pavan fake the phone to fuck the photo a cup of coven coffee cup higher traveling sugar track tracker fitter for a fake of fake papers fake pocketing in public transport poetry and a painful fixer 30,000 30 snakes 30 drink 3,000 legs. My sister sells shirt, but Mr. Sister doesn't sell shirt. She shall buy the she shot, the shells are surely she shells. The 33 throat that the thrall a throne throat Thursday, fixer of women poet officially, poetry, the perfection of poetry arena. Mr. Tongue Twister tried to train his tongue to twist and turn to learn the letter T. However, please pay the people payment and favor to the favor house. Take the total team in the take the tea of tea in the tea time. Canadian coffee house KFC command for chocolate cake in Cambodia. Campaign cases the contraction of Cambodians. Far plan for us of power to provide the better service for sort of products for public private entrepreneurship is profitable. Pronouncing tongue twister T the tough talented teachers technically teach the T sound when talked by using T. Capital city Cairo is crowded with kids to compete in cricket tournament. The cricketer of Cairo arranges a carnival for the day they call in the red carpet carnival. A fair of paper the Frederick Fair in the first following paragraph the party first with a fashion fatality to patronize the first park and color which or the part of appointment that written in the face of people parcel paper. Telephone use for telemarketing the tolerance in Taiwan. Taiwan has tendency the telemarketing television temporarily the temperature of Taiwan is 10 times after time table tennis is popular in Taiwan. Always be cool, don't have it with friends and family. Give up hiring individuals. Just keep laughing, manking never omit fears. Quality member, Allah speak the truth. Use valid words, access your jail. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. Or if you don't understand, say understand. How do I understand that? You understand? Do I make you understand? That's all. If you want to solve your vocab problem, you must practice this 30 tongue twister every day. I must 2 times practice this 30 tongue twisters.